all. Today is 26th January. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of our country. On 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. India became a democratic nation on this day. We should always respect our Constitution. Republic Day teaches us to live in unity and peace. I am proud to be an India. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.